friends, I am Anirban Sengupta. Welcome my kitchen. So today's I am showing how to cut this bell pepper very easy way. Everybody this bell pepper cutting not properly cutting. So here I showing very easy way cutting this bell pepper. So properly see this friends. This is the two portion. This is the two portion of capsicum, and at first I cut this portion. See, at first I cut this portion. See friends, this is the properly cutting, and properly remove this portion, these two portion properly totally remove. And then after this capsicum properly sit, then after I this bell pepper cutting, this edge bell pepper cutting, properly cutting. So please see friends, this is the properly cutting, and then after this portion I cutting properly. See friends, this is the properly seeds removed from this capsicum, from this bell pepper. So and now this portion I cut properly. So see friends, this bell pepper seeds properly remove. See, properly remove this portion, and now I cut this properly capsicum. And firstly this white portion I remove from this bell pepper, and this cutting is very and quick. Everybody cutting not properly, so here I showing this properly cutting. This is the properly, this white portion I properly removed from this bell pepper. So and now this cutting, and now bell pepper cutting properly. So see friends, this is the type of very easy way cutting of bell pepper. Please try at your home this easy way cutting bell pepper. So if you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.